Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off notifications on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone and tap Notifications. Then tap More below the recently sent notifications. Tap on Most Recent at the top and then tap All. All of your apps will be listed here. To turn off notifications for an app, tap the toggle to the right of it to switch it off. You will no longer get notifications from the apps that you have switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.